was a thrilling experience. Hi! View is like very nice. The people here are really sweet. What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be exploring the top places to see in Silvassa, which is a place that is the border of Maharashtra and Gujarat. So let's get on a journey and start exploring these places in Silvassa.
Silvassa, the largest city of the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, is one of the fast-paced growing cities. Once a tribal area, the city now houses many large industries which has given a boost to its development. The city of Silvassa has great connectivity from road, train and air, being just 160 kilometers from Mumbai, Maharashtra and around 130 kilometers from Surat, Gujarat. The nearest railway station is at Vapi, which is around 15 kilometers, and the airport is at Surat, which is approximately 100 kilometers from Silvassa. Along with being the base of many large industries and companies, Silvassa has developed its tourism industry with spectacular attractions and sightseeings. Let me show you.
Safari Park, but unfortunately the park is closed, it's shut down. I think after the pandemic this has been shut down since then, so that's sad, but it's like a really nice place. There's so much greenery around. I have come here a few years ago. They take us in the jeep and show you the lions and all, and it's such a fun and a thrilling experience. And this place is also like from around like 10 kilometers from the city center, so thoda dur bhi hai. Do check on Google Maps before coming to the place, or call this place up and see if they're open, because हमने हो नहीं किया. This place is now closed, but nevertheless, at least हम यहाँ पे आके we saw the place. सामने they have made this Wali paintings and all. ये गुजरात का special painting है. That is a traditional painting. तो ये पूरा wall पे they have made it and it looks so beautiful and nice. And पूरा area is also well nicely decorated and nicely made also. But it's very sad that it's closed. So we're gonna move ahead and check out the next location that we have on our list. Now made it to the Madhuvan Dam. That behind me is this beautiful lake of this dam. This dam is built together by the Gujarat government and the Union Territory government of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and the water is supplied to both of these places. So this is a unique thing about this dam, and look how pretty this place is. The water is so clean, beautiful. There are boats, people are boating, and it's such a nice place to be, like hang out and chill with nature. हम लोग वहाँ पे थे and now we're at this point, and also this view is like very nice. It's so nice and pleasant. So now we made it to one of the spots from where you can see the dam quite clearly. So this is the Madhuvan Dam. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे ऐसे random spots है where you can go and check out the view. Lunchtime currently, and we decided to come to this place called as Hotel Jalaram, which is special for its Gujarati and Kathiawadi thali. ये होटल एक्चुअली राखोली एरिया में आता है, which is सिलवासा मेन सिटी से थोड़ा ही दूर है. दैट इज डिजर्ट, एंड इसके साथ ये लोग छाछ भी सर्व करते हैं. सो इट्स अ होलसम गुजराती ऑथेंटिक थाली. एंड ऑल्सो दिस होल थाली, everything that you see on this plate currently is for only 140 rupees, which is pretty cheap. And let's see how the taste is. अभी लंच किया. द खाना वॉज नाइस एंड सिंपल खाना था, बट इट वॉज वेरी नाइस. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट लोकेशन पे. आई विल कैच यू अप व्हेन वी गेट ओवर देयर. Deer Park, which is located at Dadra Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. This deer park is the same forest which is of the lion park that we just saw. वो बंद था, but this luckily is open today. And यहाँ पे बहुत गर्दी है. People are waiting. हमको भी बोला है there's going to be an 1 to 1.5 hours waiting. And यहाँ पे मुझे पता चला है कि it's like 15 to 20 minutes ride in a bus. And वो लोग बस अंदर forest के अंदर लेके जाते हैं to see the deers. And we can see them in their natural habitat, which is nice. I like sanctuaries better than zoos. So we'll go see some deer. Bus and we are going to see the deer, and ऐसा छोटा mini buses है inside which we are seated. So almost 45 minutes लगा in waiting, and now we are going inside. Over here, and you can literally see it on both the sides, which is nice. So एक जगह कोई बैठा है तो उनको दूसरी जगह turn होके the car comes back to the same route, and you can see all the deers. There's a baby deer, there's different species of deer. It's so nice and thrilling. एक्सपीरियंस. बहुत सारे डियर्स हमें देखने को मिले, एंड ऑल्सो डिफरेंट टाइप्स एंड डिफरेंट स्पीशीज ऑफ डियर्स. एंड देयर वाज अ बेबी डियर, देयर वाज big size deers, there were small spotted one, there's sambar. There were so many of them, and it was so crazy and so much fun to look at all these deers. And even the crowd was cheering as and when they see the deers. हमें पता चलता था ओ यहाँ पे deer है. कुछ deer के कलर्स ऐसे थे, it was camouflaging with the whole background, but then too it was so much fun. And this is the one thing that you must do here when you come to this place. Tribal Museum. That is the entry that you see behind me. Now Silvassa was a tribal region very long time ago. Due to industrial revolution and lot of industries being opened at this area, this city is now being so developed and is now considered to be one of the smart cities of India. So we're gonna go inside, check out the history, know about the past, and also learn more about the culture of this place.
They say that to know the city, you need to know its people. Silvassa is a culturally diverse city with influence from its neighbouring states of Gujarat and Maharashtra. And it also has a Portuguese influence since it was ruled by them a long time ago. It is also the house of Varli art, a traditional art form that depicts the daily life of people drawn using geometric shapes.
So this is the museum in which the rich heritage and culture of this place has been showcased in form of artifacts, in form of paintings, photographs and models and all those things, and they've also preserved it, so that is good to see the real kitchen items or fishing items or the cultural things that also are preserved at this place.
Today the city of Silvassa has come a long way, but has not forgotten its rich culture.
There's also a souvenir shop that you see behind me right outside the museum, where you can buy tribal jewelry, you can buy Warli painting, art, t-shirts, mugs. I believe these are also made by the tribal community here, so it's nice to cherish the art. Now we're at the Swaminarayan temple. That you see behind me is this beautiful temple. It's so pretty, and the work on it, that is the architectural design of it, is so intricate and so nicely made. Up close it looks so pretty. And this is a mandir. There's also a small garden right besides the mandir where children are playing. You can rest over there, and it's like a nice garden also. So this is a temple, and ये temple highway के पास ही है. So if you are going back to Mumbai, you'll get this temple on side as well. So do visit this temple, and it's a nice and a very peaceful temple. This temple closes at 6 p.m. So do come before that, otherwise darshan करने को नहीं मिलेगा. It's currently after 6, so we are not going inside. But then too you can come here and take darshan and seek blessings of God. So the temple garden has lots of paintings about thoughts, about life, about that they have painted right over there, and it's nice to see and very impressive also, like how they've all presented it. Currently I am at the Vandhara Garden. यहाँ पे Vandhara Garden के right opposite है river front, which is the Daman Ganga river front, and this is the garden. बहुत ही अच्छा greenery वाला garden है. There's outdoor gym over here. There's play area. People are walking, jogging and having fun. So it's a nice place to hang out in the evening. अभी climate भी काफी अच्छा हुआ है. So it's a nice, pleasant place. Garden is the Nakshatra one, and उसके पीछे ही is the river front. तो ये 3 spot है where you can just come in the evening and have fun. We made it to the river front, and look how pristine view is behind. It's so serene and very clean. And यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे व्यू पॉइंट्स बनाए हुए हैं. And make sure that you come here before 7, because after 7 यहाँ पे सब बंद हो जाता है. Okay, I met an angel whose name is
Priya.
Thank you for saying hi.
Welcome.
So here comes an end to our day here at Silvassa. I hope you enjoyed the video and got to explore these beautiful places here with me. There's so many more places to explore. There's this Dudhani Lake, which is very popular, and it has water sports in it. Our main city, it's like 30 kilometers away, so we couldn't cover it in just one day. But if you have 2 days, you can go there as well. वहाँ पे boating and all है, water sports है, you can enjoy that as well. And along with that, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे garden है. There's a Navratna garden that we skipped, but it was also similar garden to what we saw before. So ऐसे बहुत सारे locations है here in Silvassa that you can explore, enjoy with your family and friends. And it's such a nice and a unique place. Not a lot of people come here to explore, but I hope this video inspires you to come to this place and explore these places around. Also, one thing I want to mention is that I met so many of people who are like very curious to know what I was recording, and I interacted with them, and the people here are really sweet, and I just enjoyed my time over here, and it was such a fun day that we had over here. If you like this video and made it this far, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. There are more and more travel content coming really soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.